Hi everybody, this is Mr. Ribeiro again. I want to do part 2, example 2 of 7.3, multiplying a fraction and a whole number. So example 2, which would be now, I'm putting the fraction first, which would be 2/3 of 4 wholes. And remember, of is the same as multiplication, okay? So basically it's the same kind of concept, but this case, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw 2/3, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw it 4 times. Okay, I'm gonna cut these boxes into 3 pieces. Just there. I'm gonna change a color here. I'm sorry, I'm gonna change the color so that I could shade it in for you. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shade in 2/3 in each. Oh, maybe it didn't change color. Hold on a second. Let's see. Nope, didn't change color. So what I'll do is I'll just do it in black. So I'll shade 2/3 in each of the 4 groups. Okay, and we're gonna do the same concept. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a box at a time and try to fill them up. So what I'll do is I'll do these 2 first, which fit in here perfectly. I do the next one, which fits in perfectly. Now I make another box with 3 pieces in it. Cross this out, shade it in. Cross this out, shade it in. Cross this out and shade it in. And I can make another box and keep on going. So I make another box, 3 pieces. Cross this out, shade it in. Cross this out and shade it in. Do I have any more to shade in? No. Then I make the fractions. I have 2 holes here. I have 3 pieces and 2 that are shaded in. So our answer would be 2 and 2/3. Okay, that's example 2. All right. Now I'm going to do another example. Do example 3, and see. It should be enough for you to get it. If not, then we'll email each other. But let me just erase this so that we have it. A clean page. Erase the whole thing. Cool. Excuse me. So now I'm going to make this example 3. Okay. And let's do, okay, we'll do something, let's do 3 times 1/2. Make it simple, okay? Or of, same thing. So I'm going to make 3 holes, and I'm going to put 1/2 in each. As you can see. Then I'm going to make my box, cut it in half, and start shading. And I'm taking as I shade. I know I need another box. And there we go. There's our answer. So we have 1 hole, and this is 2 pieces and 1 shaded. It's 1/2, 1 hole and 1/2, okay? So 1 and 1/2. That's example 3. I'm going to do one more, just so that you have an idea of what to do, and then I'm going to sign the page for you. Hold on a second. Okay. So here, I wish you guys could try this with me, but you know, sometimes with these circumstances, we can't do that. And you don't have to simplify. If you want to simplify, you can. Sometimes you're going to get a let's say improper fraction. You have to turn it into a mixed number. But in this case, let's just try it. So next is this example 4. Here we go. So let's do 3 and 2/5. Okay. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to draw, since the whole numbers first, I'm going to draw 3. And I'm going to make 2/5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna shade them in. Sorry, wait, this thing is acting a little funny here. Let's see if it shades. Okay, I'll shade into, always start from the bottom up. You can do it this way too, 2/5. And 2/5, okay? Then I'll make my box. 2, 3, 4. And I'll take 1, 2 at a time. I can take another 2. I can take 1 more. And I have 1 left, so I have to make another box. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so my answer is 1, and the denominator is 5, and 1 and 1/5. Okay? So that's how you do multiplying whole numbers with fractions using a model. And I want you to use a model for every single one. Okay? I'm going to show you something else on part 3 of this video. Thank you.